Take control of your future. The main difference between most new independent engineers and the corporates is most new independent engineers, they let things happen, and the corporates, they make things happen. So, in order to take control of your future, you also need to make things happen by joining the Masterful Engineer Programme. The Masterful Engineer Programme mission and purpose is 1. To educate new gas engineers in gas and electric boiler repair through the Boiler Repair Library. 2. To train new gas engineers with our course, Master the Basics Foundational Training Programme, which covers gas and electric boiler repair in more depth, and much, much more. 3. To let new engineers realise that boiler manufacturers are not your best option for boiler repair training. That's because boiler manufacturers are all leaning towards new engineers becoming approved boiler installers. And, as you know, all boiler manufacturers are offering 10 years plus warranties on their boilers, and that means you will never get to repair these boilers. That's why they're not pushing the boiler repair side. This means you will not achieve your goal and be very disappointed. Now today you can take control of your future and your business by joining the Masterful Engineer Programme. Start to make things happen and take a piece of the action like the corporates do. Your first step is to start your education via our Boiler Repair Library for only £5 with lifetime access. And if you require additional training, you can find information about the Master the Basics Foundational Training in the Boiler Repair Library. Simply visit www.boilerrepairlibrary.co.uk today.